We will be carrying out the experiment on determination of specific gravity of soil with the help of pycnometer bottle. This is pycnometer bottle. This has got different parts like the glass jar, then washer, conical cap and the screw. So here we will be using this pycnometer bottle for determination of specific gravity. We have to take some sample passing through 4.75 mm sieve. Then we need some rod for stirring the soil sample so that the air is removed, and water. We need a top and balance with this has got the capacity up to 3 kg and least count is 0.1 gram, plus one cloth for removing the excess water from the pycnometer bottle. We will start now. First we have to find out the mass of pycnometer bottle along with cap. So here the mass is 518.9 gram. 519 gram. So this is 519 gram. We have to put approximately 200 to 400 gram of soil in it. This is oven dry soil, so moisture is 0 in this. So we have to take approximately 200 to 400 gram soil. Again we have to weigh this pycnometer bottle along with dry soil and the cap. Here I have kept the entire thing over it. The mass is now 1035.4 gram. Now we have to put some water in it. While pouring water, you have to stir the mixture so that air is removed. You can see the air bubbles. So this air from soil, the entrapped air is removed. This is rather half filled. The bottle is not completely filled. It is half filled, and then we are stirring the entire mixture so that air from soil, the entrapped air, is removed. Now it is nearly filled. Now we have to replace the conical cap and the stopper, washer, etc., so that we can fill it up to top. We have to fill it up to top of this conical cap. Now this can be done by holding it below the tap water. Adjust the tap water so that you get it filled up to top of this conical cap. Now whatever excess water we have got, that we have to remove using the cloth. And now we have to find out its mass again. And now this mass is 1829.6 gram. Now this is first mass of empty pycnometer bottle is M1, mass of pycnometer bottle plus dry soil sample is M2, mass of pycnometer bottle plus soil sample plus water is M3. Now we have to remove the contents of this pycnometer bottle in some bottle which you have to put this water with soil. You need to keep it in some bucket so that it can be disposed of in near some plant. Now this is to be washed and clean the entire pycnometer bottle. So we have removed the entire soil from this pycnometer bottle. Now next step is we have to fill it completely with water, clean water. So here we are filling it with clean water, and this again we have to fill up to top of the cap, conical cap. So we place the conical cap over it, close it. Now one thing is to be remembered, you have to put your hand below the bottle so that there is very less chance of slipping of bottle from your hand. Excess water is to be removed, and we have to weigh this pycnometer bottle with clean water. and this is M4 mass of picnometer bottle plus water, and it is 1535.6. So this is complete one set of observations. So you have got this particular formula for specific gravity. G is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by m2 minus m1 minus m3 minus m4, where m2 is mass of picnometer plus dry soil, m1 is mass of picnometer. So this gives you the mass of dry soil sample. Here again same, and here is the mass of soil sample plus water plus picnometer minus mass of picnometer plus water. So with the help of these four readings, M1, M2, M3 and M4, you can find out G. The exercise is you have to find out G. Already we have obtained M1, M2, M3 and M4.